Always arranging 15 students A1, A2, A3, A15 in a row such that first one A1, A2, A3 always sit together. A1, A2, A3 sit together in a specified order. Specified order is only one way comes only. So A2 must be seated after A1 and A3 must be comes after A2. Neither A2 nor A3 be seated before A1. That's the data which is given. So keep 13 factorial, 2 into 15 factorial by 13, 3 factorial, and A2 must be, that is next 13 factorial and 3 factorial, 15 factorial by 3 factorial, which is given in the options. Let us go for first combination. So A1, A2, A3 sit together. So first total how many are there? Total 15 students are there. So A1, A2, A3 always sit together. Just you can keep away from just A1, A2, A3. So always sit together. So that means remaining 15 minus 3, that is 12 members are there. So here in this case, together means treat A1, A2, A3 as one student. One student. That means the total number of students along with this we call as a unit. That is called 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 plus remaining 12, total 13 students are there. 13 students. So here how many ways you can? Here required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements equal to, so first arrangement of 13 students into arrangement of particular unit. Arrangement of particular unit. So arrangement of unit. So 13 students can arrange in 13 factorial ways. Arrangement units all are three distinct, that is 3 factorial ways. That is first job. Now second case, A1, A2 sit in a specified order. So A1, A2 specified order is only one way. That means A1, A2, A3 specified order is only one way. So here A1, A2, A3 sit together in a specified order. That means take it as 1 unit. Same like what you did, 1 unit, we can take it as, but they're asking one specific order means there should be one order only. Okay, so now there are 12 plus 1, 13. 13 units, 13 units, 13 students. So that means the 13 things can be arranged in all at a time is 13 factorials. So here no need to arrange A1, A2 among themselves because they must be seated together in a specified order. So here, so the 13 required number of arrangements. So equal to arrangement of 13 students, that is 13 units, into, so A1, A2, A3 specified order. As means they are always in the order. Here no need to arrange A1, A2 themselves because they are seated together in a specified order. That means, so arrangement of unit, specified order. Specified order always one way only. Here that is 13 factorial into, always there is specified order means A1, A2, A3 or A2, A3, A1. Only one way possible here. So that is 13 factorial is the answer for the second case. Okay, hope clear that one. Next, A2 must be seated after A1, A3 must be seated after A2 only comes, they are asking. So here, first arrange 12 members in 15 places. That is first job. So it can be done in 15 P12, that is 15 factorial by 15 minus 12, that is 15 factorial by 3 factorial. That is first job. Okay, so there are 3 places left. Now there are how many places left? There are 3 places left. 3 places left. So these These places, these three places need not be consecutive. Why consecutive? It can be. So they are asking A2 must be seated A3 after A2 anywhere A2. So suppose A1 is first place, A2 can be keep anywhere. That is, this the A3 must be come after A2. So it should not be consecutive. So now three places can be desired order only one way. In this case, three places can be desired order one, only one way. That means total number of ways you can arrange is 15 factorial by 3 factorial into 1. That is 15 factorial by 3 factorial. So that is the answer here. Now neither A2 nor A3 be seated before A1 only. Yes. For here what you can do means first arrange 12 people. Here same thing. A2 neither A2 nor A3 be seated before A1 only because they should be after A1 only have to fill. So now let us first 12% arrange first 12%. First arrange the 12 persons, 12 persons, that is the 12 persons, A4, A5, A12, sorry, A15 in 12 places that equal to 15 P12. Okay, 15 P12 ways, that is here. Okay, so that is the first job. In 15 places, 12 places in 15 places. That please keep in mind in 15, that is 15 P12. That is the first job over. So now this can be done in 15 12 ways. So we shall left, there are three places left. There are three places left. So how many places? Three places left. So first arrange here, first arrange here, first arrange A1, arrange A1 in one place, in first place or second place, in first place. So among three, any one first place correct, and arrange A2, comma A3 in the remaining places. The remaining places. So it is possible in two factor ways. It is possible in two factor. It is possible in 2p2, that is two factor ways. So total arrangements altogether will be 15p12 into 2, that is 2 into 15 factorial by 3 factorial is the answer here. So check the answers. These are answers. Okay, now let us take the proper answer here. A1, A2, A3 always sit together. So A is matching with, so what is A matching with? R. Next, B matching specified order. So that is only 15 factorial by 3 factorial. So here B match with S. Now C match with what happened? C match with 13 factor P. C P. And D is R. Check the answer what they are given. So AR, BP, CS and DQ. So this is Q, no? B is Q. What I did?